Rub some baking soda on your nails and watch what happens. This trick will change your life forever. Baking soda, you can use this powerful ingredient for almost everything. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is extremely cheap but a very powerful ingredient. This ingredient can be used to fight colds and even cancer. You can also use it for oral hygiene, deodorants, etc. Many people around the world use baking soda. You can use the super healthy ingredient to treat and prevent many health problems such as diarrhea prevention, acidity, drug intoxication, metabolic acidosis and peptic ulcer. Baking soda has many antipruritic properties and keeps your skin healthy and glowing. Use it to eliminate plague and colds. You should also know that baking soda contains sodium and can prevent hyperkalemia, kidney stones, and infections of the bladder. Old remedies. You should drink baking soda with water to ease pain in the muscles after a hard workout. You can also use baking soda to destroy nail fungus and eliminate grime. Here's what you need to do: you just have to apply some baking soda on a nail brush and scrub your nails. You should try this simple trick as well. Just mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, peppermint essential oil and a small amount of water. Soak them for nearly 20 minutes and the itching odor and soreness will be relieved. You can also use baking soda to refresh your breath. Just gargle a little bit of baking soda. Or you can use baking soda to brush your teeth. Here's what you need to do: just add some on your toothbrush and you will get the best way to whiten teeth. You can use this powerful ingredient to reduce the appearance of acne, dead skin and excess facial oil. How? Just use a scrub made of baking soda. Here's what you need to do: you just have to mix a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of water and then rub your face. Also you can relieve insect bites, bee stings, itching from sumac, oak and poison ivy. Mix baking soda and water, which is an excellent paste for stings. Prepare a paste of water and baking soda in order to canker, herpes and sores lesion. They will dry fast. Homemade recipe for acidity. The medical experts say that the best way to reduce acid reflux is to make alkaline environment in your organism. Here's what you need to do: you just have to combine 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. You can use apple cider vinegar instead. Use a tall glass and wait for the foam to settle and then add 230 ml of water. Then drink the mixture. It will neutralize your pH, protect stomach acid and decrease acidosis. More homemade recipes with baking soda. You should also know that this powerful ingredient is closely related with cancer treatment. The famous Dr. Mark Simoncini says that diseases like diabetes, fungal infections, and cancer may be treated and prevented by consuming a mixture of molasses and baking soda. You can get rid of oral thrush by gargling a mixture of water and baking soda. Or you can also treat UTI by preparing a drink with 230 ml of water and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Drink it twice daily. Use baking soda to reduce the thrombosis symptoms. Here's what you need to do: you just have to combine lemon juice or apple cider vinegar with baking soda. You can also use this powerful ingredient to get rid of candida yeast. Here's what you need to do: you just have to make a mixture of warm water and a teaspoon of baking soda and use it. Then the itching will stop. Note: you should be very careful because baking soda is not recommended for children under the age of 5 or pregnant women. Be careful while using baking soda with other prescribed medications. Note: you should consult with your doctor before starting any of these treatments. Do not forget to dissolve baking soda before using. Never use it in powdered form. If you are trying to avoid sodium, then don't use baking soda because it can drain minerals and vitamins from the organism. You mustn't use baking soda treatments longer than 2 weeks. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.